Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Suffering from bad breath can be embarrassing and have a detrimental effect on your social life. You may not feel like seeing other people or worry about people getting too close when you do. The health condition gingivitis is the leading cause of bad breath in adults. You may notice you have gingivitis because your gums are swollen or bleeding regularly. It's often the result of a buildup of plaque or bacteria in the mouth and on the teeth that leads to bad breath. Your dentist will be able to diagnose how severe your gingivitis is and the best course of treatment. Your dentist may prescribe a mouthwash to fight off bacteria. You should always ensure your brush and floss twice a day to fight off gingivitis and improve oral hygiene. We all are very familiar with cloves that are found in our kitchens. Cloves have a hot and strong flavor that adds characteristic strong aromatic flavors to the food. Apart from enhancing taste, clove is also an important ingredient for making various home remedies. Cloves contain a strong anesthetic known as eugenol, which similarly works as an antiseptic to fight bacteria that may cause infections. That's why cloves are so effective at fighting cavities and are often added to oral products such as toothpaste and mouthwash. Additionally, dentists mix clove oil with zinc oxide to create a temporary feeling to calm the sensitive tooth nerves. Since clove has antifungal and antibacterial properties, it's very useful for getting rid of bad breath. Bad breath is caused by bacteria present in our mouth, either because of lack of dental hygiene or because of the food that we consume. Also, persistent bad breath can also be a sign indicating gum diseases, which are caused by the bacteria present in our mouth. Excessive consumption of tea, coffee, and smoking are some of the many reasons that stain our teeth and leads discoloration. Clove for teeth whitening is another one of its many applications. Clove mouthwash can lead to teeth whitening. Also, proper oral hygiene and regular brushing and flossing are very important for pearly white teeth. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a wonderful homemade recipe for treating bad breath. It's so easy and simple. Well, all we need is 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of clove. Boil the 2 cups of water in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of clove. Store it in a bottle and leave it for 1 day. Now the solution is ready to be used as a mouthwash. Wash your mouth daily with it. Rinse, spit, and repeat. And that's it. So simple. Try it once or twice a day. You will get an amazing result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.